Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to tell you that what means when timing chain jumps and what happens then. In my case there happened emergency braking in highway, and that's there was hard hit in engine transmission, and after that engine's timing chain jumps maybe in that lower part crankshaft area. And now I can see that this exhaust camshaft and intake camshaft, they are not in the correct positions, because in this my engine there are markings that all time these heads in here and in here, they have to be in line, and now they are not in same phase. Okay, and that's we can now understand that this camshaft rotation position is bad and engine is not running.